Hey guys, Erika with a K here. Today's video is going to be on how to add some highlights or lowlights of red and then just deepen up that base color a little bit more. So let's start with the front because we're not lifting here, we are just depositing, and this is a demi-permanent color. I use 9 volume L'Oreal products, and what I do is every red color that I'm doing, I am putting in a foil, and then all the hair that is left in between is going to get a little bit darker of a base, just a little bit, whatever you think is going to match the skin tone, or if they had a picture that they showed you, whatever you think is going to kind of match that, that's the color that you'd go to. None of this is permanent color. Just want to give you guys a heads up. This is all temporary color or demi-permanent color, so it will wash out in a few washes. So I am literally taking the hair, I'm starting from the front, since again, this is no lift. We don't have to worry about the front lifting before the back is finished. It's just demi-permanent color, and it's just deposit only. So I am taking a slice, then I am weaving it, and then I'm putting my foil in there, and I'm putting my red color on there, my red demi color. Again, I use L'Oreal Dia Richesse, and I use 9 volume. I use 5.60, which is the Richesse color with 9 volume. That is the red color. And then for the in-between, which my camera cuts out so you're not going to get to see it, but I use 3/4 6.01 and then 1/4 5N, and that is all Dia Richesse with 9 volumes. So this is all demi. So I'm just going to kind of skip ahead a little bit and just let you guys know that my camera does cut out, so you're not going to get to see me do the in-between, but know that every single piece of hair was either in a foil or got that low light color on it. I really wanted to deepen this up. I wanted to look as close to her inspiration picture as possible while still complementing her skin tone. And I gotta tell you guys, I really think I nailed it. I am so happy with the results of this that I'm actually a little upset that it's gonna wash out in quite a few washes. But yeah, so now I'm gonna do the side. This cuts out. I'm so sorry it cuts out, but I'm just doing a slice, and then I'm doing a weave, and then I'm just using that foil, and again, every hair in between gets color on it. This is the before picture. I forgot to mention that this was 100% virgin hair, which means that it was not previously colored, which is why we can do the demi. And then this is the after. Guys, I am so blown away by the results of this. I absolutely love it. Hope you guys do too. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.